Hey, this is Mike with Robin Rents Equipment. Today we're going to go over proper setup instructions on the Nifty TM34 40-foot lift. You want to make sure to have all your personal protective gear, such as safety glasses, gloves, and you must always wear a harness when entering the basket. Make sure that the lift is parked on solid level ground. First thing you're going to want to do is pull your parking brake. That'll keep the lift from moving when you unhook it from the tow vehicle. Unhook here. Once it's unhooked from the tow vehicle, come back to the ground control activation box located on the back side of the lift. Pull your e-stop out and turn your key switch down to the 1 position, which will turn your ground controls on. After your ground control box is on, and move down to the outrigger box located in front of the motor. This box will allow you to deploy your outriggers. This is your activation switch to the far right. You must press and hold it down while you are operating your outriggers. Once your outriggers are down touching the ground, you're going to want to use your level right here located below the motor on the frame of the lift. Make sure to get your bubbles in between the lines, and then you'll be able to go up in the lift. Once the machine is properly leveled, you're going to want to make sure to unhook your travel latch before you go up in the boom. After the latch is unhooked, come back to your ground control box, turn the key switch to the off position, and then you're ready to get up in the basket and turn the basket controls on. Once you enter the basket, you're going to want to clip your lanyard to the anchor point. This must be clipped in all times you are in the basket. Once in the basket, you're ready to turn your basket controls on. You're going to take the key switch, turn it to the 1 position, which turns your basket controls on. The green button is the activation switch. It must be pressed and held all times while you're operating the boom. These lifts can be used for a number of different projects, from painting houses, trimming trees, or changing light bulbs.